Okay, welcome back, YouTube. Here we go. I'm about to show y'all how I size up my tattoos in Procreate. Yes, that's what I use, Procreate. Simple app. It definitely saves you some time. So get with me. Let's go. So y'all, I always start off with a 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. That's the canvas size because that's normally the size of your paper that you're printing out of your printer. So this is how we do this. I'm going to go to one of my brushes. Should we go with something simple? We go with the African woman. Or should we go with that? That size is up. Say you was doing this real big for a back, right? Real big for a back piece. So normally what I do is I go to the lasso tool. I will basically take this. Say if I want double the size, right? I take this, put it in the middle of it. I copy that on its own canvas, right? So now this got its own canvas. I go back to the original. Lighten the first one up. Darken that so you can see where it been cut at, right? So I go to the same thing. Boom, 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 boom. Let's take the bottom half. Copy that. Now we got two sizes, right? Now this is the two sizes that we got cut. So what I do is slide this up to the middle of the paper, right? Take advantage of that space. Take this one, slide it right on top to the middle of the paper. And then if you want to just stick with this like that, you could just boom, copy both of them, size it up, keep our foot in it, boom, take one, print that out, and we'll just do it for the demonstration. So tone it down, print this one out, okay, that's printing out. Print the second one out. Let's go get it. Okay, this is the first sheet. Okay, y'all, this is both pieces. This is one bottom, this is the top. And what I normally do is take the top piece, trim the bottom because I gotta place it on top of the bottom piece. So when I place it, you all can see just to line it up. Let's line it up about right there. That should look pretty good. Let's see. Boom. That's pretty much it right there. Line it up. That way it's at least 14 inches high now. So you can take them together and boom, you got your large design. Stencil it out, lay it on. But always make sure with large pieces I kind of cut and give a little slits so they foam to the body part really well, because the whole sheet of paper, you're going to get a lot of crinkles in the middle, and sometimes that middle don't always catch and like curve around the body part. So let me know what y'all think. Comments in the comment section below. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all have any ideas, questions, something that y'all having a hard time with, let me know and I'll make sure I answer your questions. Thank y'all for being here, watching this video. Now, let's go. Keep it on. Blow up the channel. Let's go.